Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgia here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is February 26, 2010. This is the last trading day here of February, and we had some excitement in the markets today. We did have corn up 6 3/4 cents, beans up 12.5, the wheat market up 15.5 cents today. Had a lot of help from the outside markets. The dollar sharply lower, down 41 cents. Crude oil up about $1.45. Hovering, though, just below that $80 area. For the week, though, crude oil was down about 47 cents. So even though we've seen a nice little rebound here the last few days, crude is still down for the week. We're down 47 cents in crude. The dollar had a break this week as well. We were down 29 cents in the dollar, where most of its sell-off here was from yesterday and today. As far as the grains, corn had a pretty strong week. We were up 18 1/4 cents in corn, still looking pretty strong. Technicals look like we may be moving up to try to fill those gaps that we made about a month and a half ago. So corn does look strong and had a strong weekly close. The beans were up about 8 cents. And as you may have noticed throughout the week, every sharp rally we've seen in the beans was met with some pretty strong selling. But it did manage to finish 12.5 cents higher today on the close. And the wheat, it didn't disappoint either. We were up 15 1/4 for the week, so a pretty strong week there as far as the wheat market. So I guess we do suspect that dips at this time may be buying opportunities yet, as these technicals still remain to look friendly. But if we get some support here from crude, if we see crude back above that $80 area, that may spark some more buying here and bring in some more interest as far as the grains. And once again, with this dollar breaking, as far as commodities in general, with the dollar breaking, the funds like to come in and buy commodities. So we also got some help from the metals today. Gold was up $7.70. So pretty strong day, with silver up about 39 cents. So silver was pretty strong. Now, with the sharp break that we've seen earlier in the week, gold made a rebound here, closing only $3.80 lower for the week. So that made quite a rebound. Returned back to where we sat last week. But it does look pretty good. The charts ended up looking a little bit friendly here at the close. We'll see if we can get some follow-through next week. Same thing on silver. Silver's right up against some resistance, though, where if we can see some strength early next week, that should carry us here a little bit higher going into the next few sessions. Soft markets, a lot of guys talking about sugar. Why is sugar going down so much? It has a lot of liquidation right now from these funds. We've seen a 220-point decline here for sugar. So we've seen quite a pullback here in sugar. Today it was down only 2 points, so a little quiet, but still overall the charts look pretty negative. With sugar selling off, cotton has found a lot of support. It almost seems like we're finding a lot of this money that was sitting in sugar, getting out of sugar and getting into cotton. Cotton has some pretty strong fundamentals right now. We've seen over a 323-point gain this week for cotton. Still looks pretty good. The technicals look bullish, and the fundamentals are still friendly. So we feel there's probably still some more to go yet in cotton. So find pullbacks as buying opportunities yet in cotton. As far as the livestock, you had fat cattle up a little bit today, up about 25 cents. Feeders up about 27 cents, with the hogs finding about a 40-cent rally here for the nearby contracts. So we did have a pretty friendly day overall, except for that dollar that had gotten pressured early in the session. I want to mention a couple things. We've got some meetings coming up. If you guys are able to make some of the meetings early next week, we've got Esterville, Iowa. We've got Storm Lake, Iowa, Grand Island, Nebraska, Burlington, Iowa, for the first part of March. So check our website for those dates and times. Allendale-INC, it's right there on the front page. We also are doing a prospective planning survey right now. Get on that, and we'd really appreciate your numbers there as well. We've done a great job getting that from you guys in the past, and it's given us a great opportunity to get you guys the best information as far as that acreage report at the end of the month. So feel free, fill that out here if you're able to do that as well. We greatly appreciate it. Call us with any questions at 800-262-7538. Once again, the web address is allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Look forward to speaking with you guys next week. So take care.